struggling with some sinus problems, or maybe your spouse is keeping you awake with some loud snoring. Those are just a couple of the signs that you may need to find an ear, nose, and throat specialist.
And when you're looking to improve your appearance and take better care of your skin, we have a physician and an aesthetic professional who can help. And we want to welcome to the show Dr. Kalpana DePasquale. Thank you so much for being here. You're the founder of St. Augustine Ear, Nose, and Throat and Avanti Medical Spa. Thanks for joining us today. So first, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
And talk a little bit about yourself and your practice. It sounds like it is all-encompassing. There's a lot going on.
It is. There's a lot going on. I'm a board-certified ear, nose, and throat physician, and I have a medical spa also on site. I've been in practice since 2003. We have two locations. Our original location is in St. Augustine, and we just opened a new location a few weeks ago in Ponte Vedra in the Nocatee area, so we're very excited about that.
Awesome. So as an ear, nose, and throat doctor, what are some of the, some of the conditions that maybe you treat or the symptoms that people have when they come to see you?
What I love about my field is that we treat so many different varieties of symptoms, from hearing loss to hoarseness to sinus problems, allergies, thyroid disorders, dizziness. So we just treat a myriad of problems that people may have. So I love it because we can see patients of all ages and, really just help them with a lot of different things.
Yeah, let's get into the medical spa first, because I like this part. Let's talk about...
Sounds more luxurious.
I do, and we're going to talk about this lovely little package that we have in front of us in a second. But you also work with your patients at the medical spa, and you specialize in this as a physician. What is it and why?
What it is we really focus on a lot of minimally invasive techniques to help people rejuvenate their look. We also offer other procedures as well, but most of the people we find are looking for something less invasive, just to look like themselves, but a better version of themselves. So that's what I feel like we really can accomplish for them. And it started in the ENT side, and those patients would ask me, and it just developed into the medical spa, which I was always doing, but it got busier and busier as time went on.
Of course, yeah. So where are these locations? How can somebody get in contact with you?
So the first location is near Flagler Hospital in St. Augustine. It's 1301 Plantation Island Drive, Suite 401. The new location is just north of Palencia on US 1, and it's 145 Hilden Road, and that's Suite 123.
And we're putting those numbers there on the bottom of the screen too. If they want to call, they can do so. And you really work on a positive patient environment. Why, when patients walk in the door, is that something that's so important for you and for the patient?
I feel that when patients come to see a physician, so many times they're just afraid, they're nervous about some things, and I feel like our job is, when that patient comes in the door, to put them at ease so that they feel comfortable sharing whatever is bothering them. And I feel like that way the physician-patient relationship is stronger, and I feel we're able to better do a service for that patient.
Yeah, there's lots of anxieties, I think, that come into play when you go see a physician about anything, really, even a symptom that may be just indicating a cold, who knows. So how could our viewers learn more about you? You seem really comfortable on camera to me, and I'm thinking that's probably because of what you're about to tell us.
Well, they can find out information about us through various ways. Our website, www.saent.net for the ENT side, www.avantimedspa.net for the medical spa side, and we also have a YouTube channel, so there's a lot of different ways to keep in touch with us and
what
see
do
where
we find
we're
on the
up
YouTube
to.
channel? That's exciting. I haven't heard a lot of physicians going down the YouTube route.
Well, that's been really fun. We actually did a whole bunch of YouTube videos that we're planning to release one every month on either med spa or the ENT side, just to give little tips on little tidbits that people might be interested about, Botox myths, or how do I clear earwax? Just silly things that people want to know about, but maybe too afraid to ask. So
there you
just
go.
Great information for them to, just go on the YouTube channel and
the things that don't necessitate a visit necessarily.
Correct. Just things that they're curious about and just want to know a little bit more about. And you're right, you don't necessarily have to go to the doctor for some of those things.
I'll just go to YouTube. That's great. And I'll
Exactly.
search for you. Now, last but not least, you have a special for our viewers that we want to talk about, especially with Mother's Day right around the corner Sunday. So if you're like me and you haven't really gotten anything yet, you need to get on it. Always last minute.
And many of us are so busy in our lives, we forget about it. So for anybody who hasn't gotten a Mother's Day gift yet for their wife, their mom, we have these great little kits right here. Has a beautiful eye cream, a dream cream, which is a nighttime moisturizer, and a BB cream that also has a sunscreen within it. So that could be something you can just pick up real quick. We're open till 6 o'clock at our Ponte Vedra location today. So if it's something you want to grab and go, might just save you from a lot of trouble later.
Yeah, and it's very convenient. On the way to the Players Championship, you can swing by, pick up something for mom, and you're good to go.
Absolutely.
And get some sunscreen for yourself while you're at it.
And that is so important.
Exactly. Okay. Very, very important.
Well, Dr. DePasquale, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
We appreciate you and for coming on, for sponsoring this segment. For more information on St. Augustine Ear, Nose, and Throat, you can visit the website, which is on your screen, which is saent.net, or you can call 904-461-6060. And for the Avanti Medical Spa, you can visit avantimedspa.net, or you can call them at 904-461-6797, and everything there is on your screen.